Good morning vlog. We are at Zdayz. Today's Thursday right now. We're heading to get breakfast and we're gonna hit the Dragon again. I'm not gonna do it with my car. Round 2 with Tail the Dragon with Duke. Hopefully you'll be fine, right? Hopefully we'll see. If not, I'll help him by driving his car back or finishing the Dragon. We'll see. Oh my God, we'll see what happens. Oh God, fall off the side of this mountain, Jesus. Dude, what the heck? What happened? That's why you don't go so hard whenever you know what you're doing. Is that because of his spacer or what? No, his suspension snapped. What? So the axle came. Look at the way this bends. Oh my God. Axle, yeah. Unless I watch our guys come in. That's crazy. He's not even here. Yeah, I hope he's okay. Dude. That's ridiculous. He was driving way too hard, and that's why. The car couldn't handle it. John and Elijah drive crazy, and they haven't snapped the axle or anything. Well, they're on stock suspension too. He's low. Yeah, no. They're both stock. They're both stock. No, Elijah's on Nizzo struts and that's stock. And that's John Wilkinson, he's on coils on the front. No, yeah, I'm scared. Yeah, he is. On the front, you guys. What the heck? What's the point of having this at the front? Because he didn't get the plates for the rear, but he's on like aftermarket springs.
Brian Little.
They'll have the race there.
Selena, what happened?
He almost literally died.
Are you serious?
I'm so serious, yeah. We like made a turn and we were going straight and he literally just lost control.
What?
Yeah, we were swerving, he couldn't stop.
Yeah, if it just backed out,
it was bad.
So like the car stopped or like he stopped the car?
He stopped it.
Okay.
Yeah, we went on the grass and it like, yeah.
Dang. That's
I almost died and it was like the worst experience of my life.
You're alive. I'm so scared as fuck.
Oh my God. Yo. What is up, guys? Right now it is Friday, Zdayz, so today is the 3rd day. Right now I'm just gonna be looking at all the vendors. They have all their booths set up, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the Nismo booth first. So Nismo and SPL did a collaboration, so these are technically OEM parts, so you can get SPL upper control arms from Nismo, you can get their, I believe these are mid-links, yeah, SPL mid-links, SPL, I think that might be toe arm, the titanium version, and then their end links. So this is like their first ever production of this. All right, so right now I am at the Soho Motorsports tent, and here I'm with Scott. We're gonna go over all the details of their brand new top mount turbo kit, and let's get started.
All right, this is our release of our VHR top mount single turbo kit. We we wanted to make a kit that still allows OEM function and fitment of all the options of the car and still looks clean and a very streetable, fun kit. This car made 450 horse, 406 foot-pounds of torque at just wastegate pressure at 8 psi on our stage 1. So this is a Garrett GTX 3576 RR, which is a reverse rotation turbo, which is what sets our kit apart from a few of the other top mounts. Being reverse rotation, we were allowed to hide all the piping down in the bottom of the car instead of having a pipe run across the top of the engine bay. We went with all stainless steel intercooler piping to avoid heat soak, which aluminum tends to heat soak a lot, and the stainless looks beautiful.
No, I love that.
That was so funny.
That was almost my mom, but without the Vietnamese.
Without the Vietnamese. So what you do?
What do we do?
You smoke weed. I had a customer from Vietnam, man. I'm like, hey man, hey, I need you to buy some stuff. Edwin, man, you all smoke weed. I'm like, what are you talking about, man? I buy that stuff and y'all don't have a problem. What the hell's the problem?
How you been?
Good. How you been? We're going to the dam.
Yeah, we're gonna take photos.
You should go.
You wanna go?
No, we're going to the Skyway.
I've tried begging, I've tried pleading, I've tried yelling. I'm now resorting to public humiliation. You see it on here.
The only thing better than the roads and those roads out there and those cars out there are the people that are here. And I was thinking, you guys are the ones that make the
What is up, guys? Today is Saturday. I'm gonna show you guys around the car show. There's plenty of cars out here. GTRs, 370Zs, a couple 240Zs, 280Zs, 260Zs. So I'm just gonna show you guys around.